of Nongkrem constituency, Lambor Malngyang, had laid the foundation stone for the provision and installation of synthetic football turf at the Madan Centre at Kharbuli in Nongkrem on the 21st of December 2021. Also present were Chief Engineer of the State Sports Council, Government of Meghalaya, BSAIM, the Headman Darbar Kharbuli locality, C. Kharbuli, the Bakrao of Raj Nongkrem, members of the Nongkrem Darbar Pulun, members of the Nongkrem Sports Club, besides others. Speaking on the occasion, the MLA of Nongkrem constituency and also Chairman of the State Planning Board, Lambor Malngyang, said that as a representative of the area, it is his duty and responsibility to see to the development of his constituency, to lend a helping hand to underprivileged families and to uplift the youth as far as sports and other activities are concerned.
Isin ba kidong siyong kidon kajing shani ha kajilam kajonga kadai ka kamram jonga ban pentikna ba kaen kajing angnut jong kidong siyong lafikren ya ka development program lafikren ya kajing no senyang sigilong yin ki bakhamduna lafipai pat sya ki konsamla ki badan hapo kane gisnong mai kumno ngille hanrei nga sutunat banong ba ngangayat ringkat berkat development namata gisnong banyarap namata ki longying ban kento bet ban kento pat yaki konsamla hakaling ka sports baro kaway ngakmi lantay ba lamba jong gajing yo jungi yakani kamadan kaban itanat hadu kata ngakwa banong hakaling por ba ngakmi lantay bagi players napo kasnong Nongkrem berkumju naga konsusi berkoi kinmi ki players ibabit.
The MLA from Nongkrem and Chairman of the State Planning Board also said that the return of students from across the country to the state due to the pandemic has been a cause of concern as there are currently a dearth of jobs in the state. He therefore said that there is a need for a full-fledged skills university in the state to cater to needs of the youth. Also on the need for a Meghalaya regiment, Malngyang said that the recruits should be locals so as to make it convenient for the state government to take care of its borders, considering the fact that such sons of the soil would be the best protectors of the land.
Benda ka bang kuha ban ong ifi kalong ba kat nang ya igisngi ka population kala nang increase kat ba finang pet ya gani ka situation ka belong menta ka problems kala nang mi shushu ki khna lakum nu hapadeng 1000 ba 4000 kidon shaba jong ka jala kiyo ban ya tray ban ya kta but ngai i hang ne banadu bakawan gani ka lockdown kadai ka way ka problems ka ba ngi lab ngi shem bagi khna kyon phet chane habaki one pet chani ne kumno mdonla today na markata ngang isko ban ong bak options hangni kalong bang ihap banwanra yak skill full skill training university kamni shu ke institution bat kaba idong kam ke kalong baladang ila banwanra yak regiment Meghalaya regiment kamut ngila ban deploy yak ibrela jong bakin don hapo kiduki the border area bat kiway pat kijala kamut lada ujangi udon hang tu station kabamut ulong try usngo try bat uiet ila khando siap ti ngi kumalong menta kamut kiba bon kiba yo posting se gibenta se po khaput phindapet umdei try khasi umdei try muluk ti utu un ekon chano ha jaga bani khun ye sha kala today naman kita nga banjur bakla di kapor yangi ban hap ban pensngo bat bandang yay ban balakum no ngidon kam kerki yekini kimat kibang lapso